It's hard to think about which grill is the best for you when there are so many options and features to choose from. You may want one that's portable or one that stores inside. A grill that has wheels so you can move it around, or that stays in one place. In this 5-minute video, I'm going to show you the best smart grills for connected barbecuing this year. Number 5. Pit Boss Pro Series 21150 Wood Pellet Grill. Offering ample cooking space, performance, and technology at a surprisingly accessible price, the Pit Boss Pro Series 21150 Wood Pellet Grill punches well above its weight, offering features and functionality that are typically reserved for models costing several times as much. Armed with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, this Pro Series grill boasts a 32-pound hopper, 1,150 square inches of cooking space, crosshatch porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids, a pair of meat probe ports and an included probe, a warming rack, an integrated grease management system, a built-in prep space, tool hooks, and a digital PID control board. And on top of offering regular cooking temperatures between 180 Fahrenheit and 500 Fahrenheit, the Pro Series 21150 Wood Pellet Grill also features a flame broiler lever that allows for direct flame searing at up to 1000 Fahrenheit. Number 4. Traeger Grill's Ironwood 885 Wood Pellet Grill. If you're someone who loves grilling and smoking food all summer long, a product like the Traeger Ironwood 885 Pellet Grill is right up your alley. This stately grill can replace both your regular grill and smoker thanks to its wide temperature range and superior smoking abilities. But is it really worth the high price? After all, you could easily buy both a new grill and a top-rated smoker for less than the Ironwood 885's $1,500 price tag. Number 3. ASMOKE's 350 Portable Applewood Pellet Grill. Conducive to everything from tailgating to camping to backyard cookouts, the ASMOKE S350 is an 8-in-1 portable applewood pellet grill and smoker that's capable of operating at temperatures ranging between 180 Fahrenheit and 500 Fahrenheit. Able to fit an entire turkey with its lid closed, this smart grill features a color-led digital temp controller and display, 256 square inches of cooking space, a full stainless steel construction, a 4-pound wood pellet hopper capacity, and an included programmable meat probe. What makes this grill so special, however, is its patented ASCA technology, a system that uses superheated steam to more effectively retain moisture in your food while simultaneously automatically disposing of ash for a cleaner, more efficient burn and easier cleanup. Number 2. Weber Genesis SPIC 435 Smart Gas Grill. Equal parts versatile and innovative, the Weber Genesis SPIC 435 Smart Gas Grill accepts a number of custom attachments that allow it to grill, roast, bake, steam, and even stir-fry. Brimming with amenities, the Genesis SPIC 435 also boasts a side burner, an extra-large sear zone, 7mm diameter stainless steel cooking grates, an expansive under-grill storage locker, an oversized prep and serve table, an extra-large sear zone, an expandable top cooking grate, and night vision-led grill lighting and remote control knob lighting. As a smart grill, this model is also armed with the Weber Connect smart technology, giving users the option of receiving push notifications and other updates on grilling status. In addition to being available in natural gas or propane-powered models, Weber also sells a 39,002 3-burner version of this grill with 787 square inches of cooking space, along with a slew of available accessories for both models. Number 1. Kamado Joe Pellet Joe. A modernized take on the 3,000-year-old ceramic cooking devices used in ancient China, Kamado Joe's Pellet Joe is a smart ceramic pellet grill that packs Wi-Fi control and monitoring and a thermostatic control dial. On top of a ceramic chamber that allows for the use of fewer pellets and a longer cooking time. Other highlights of this model include a heat range between 225 Fahrenheit and 600 Fahrenheit, a pair of included meat probes, a smart pit probe, a round cooking surface with 18-inch diameter, and a stainless steel hopper with a 10-pound capacity that affords up to 14 hours of constant burn time. Standing at 49 tall and 47 wide, the grill also boasts aluminum side shelves, an airlift hinge, a fiberglass gasket, an integrated smoke tower, a drip bucket, and connectivity to a dedicated smartphone app.